Look at this poor bastard.
Oh, someone doesn't have straps.
The fuck? What the fuck? Oh, you should have shot me. You should have shot, bud.
Dude, the guy in black, the chubbier guy, I pieced him up when he was in this building so many times.
Who was wrong? I was fucking somebody up in this window right here.
It was the same guy.